All right, boys and girls, today's going to be a quick and dirty installation of this. This is the Dee Zee bumper step, and it's going on my 2021 F250. My last truck was an F150. I could climb into the bed pretty easy. This FX4 towing packages, heavy duty packages, it's so tall. It is so tall. So just jumping in the bed of the truck is very difficult to do. So this little thing should stick right outside the side of the bumper and give me that extra little leverage to get up there. There is another company called Amp, and they have a bumper step that comes out and folds back, and it's like $300, because there's no reason that it should be $300. No way. Anyways, so yeah, let's get to this installation. Little warranty information comes with it, and the installation, as you can see, there's literally 2 instructions: remove nuts, put the bumper in, and put the nuts back. So easy, a caveman can do it. I need to figure out what size nut this is, so I got my big ass automotive deep socket kit and a little breaker bar here. I don't have a torque wrench, so I'm gonna have to use this breaker bar. That's gonna be my choice here, because I don't have many heavy duty automotive tools, especially for anything that's part of a Super Duty, which is gonna be super. So let's try, and we'll just get down here and I'll show you. It is these nuts right here. These 2 nuts are what we're removing. Seems pretty good. So this is a
21.
Let's go ahead and see if this will be the one. Okay, so I was able to find a ratchet that would fit, which is nice. So there's one. Okay. This would be a lot easier if I had power tools, but that's okay. Okay, there we go. 2 nuts on the ground. And then we will grab this. Can you see that? So then these. This is hard to do. There we go. All right, so that is on there, and now we just reinstall the hardware. So that's one. Oh boy, that one's gonna be a little tight. Okay. So now, bolts are slightly on. This is kind of what it looks like here, sticking out here. So you have just enough room to stick your fat foot in there and jump up on top of the tailgate there. Okay, so let's go ahead and tighten these bad boys up. And then, let's see, where's number 2? There it is. So they're on there nice and tight. Let's just give them a good yeah, the old 1-2. Yeah. confirm that's tight too. All right, boy, that's sturdy as hell. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's so much easier getting in the truck. Nice design. Nice footing size. This is metal with that nice little checkered pattern there, so should give you plenty of grip. Let me close up the tailgate, show you what it looks like. All right, here you go. That's what it looks like. Doesn't stick out very far. It's got a nice profile to it. I mean, you wouldn't even know it's there. Okay, if it wasn't for the fact that I live in Florida and sweating is just your daytime hobby out here, down here in south of the South, that was really easy, nothing to sweat over, and $200 cheaper than the nearest competitor. I think it's gonna work out just fine. I'll put the link down in the description below. I bought it from Amazon for like 68 bucks or something like that. Yes, it's not electric. Yes, it doesn't come as far out. It's not as wide of a pad as the other one, but I think for saving 200 bucks, it works just fine. All right, thanks for watching, guys.